Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to this medical study platform. Welcome to my channel. Students, I am back again with a new topic to discuss the products formed by the amino acid decarboxylation. Students, in this video I will talk about the biochemistry of the some products or the compound that are formed from the decarboxylation of the certain amino acids. I will try to cover up the synthesis or the formation of these compounds and there are few primary functions within the body. Okay, let's start. Before moving toward the special products formed by the amino acid decarboxylation, we should know what is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation Decarboxylation means the removal of the carbon dioxide from any compound or the product, and the amino acid decarboxylation senses the removal of the carbon dioxide from the amino acids. The specific certain products or the compound are formed by the amino acid decarboxylation reactions. In this video, I will talk about these special products which are formed from the amino acid decarboxylation. At number first is the amine. Amines are the products or the compounds that are produced by the decarboxylation of the amino acid. The reaction step of this decarboxylation is carried out by the decarboxylase enzyme. So the removal of the carbon dioxide by the decarboxylase enzyme from the amino acid produces the amines. Certain amines are produced by the action of the decarboxylase enzyme, which also includes the removal of the carbon dioxide from the certain specific amino acids. At number second, which is the product formed by the amino acid decarboxylation, is the GABA. GABA stands for the gamma aminobutyric acid. It is the product which is formed by the decarboxylation of the glutamate. It is the inhibitory neurotransmitter which is formed by the metabolic pathway which is called the GABA shunt. Here you can see this is the reaction step by which the glutamate is converted into the GABA. The glutamate decarboxylase with the addition of the vitamin B6 is formed which is called the GABA. So the decarboxylation of the glutamate by the action of the glutamate decarboxylase enzyme, the resulting compound is the GABA. GABA is formed by the metabolic pathway which is called the GABA shunt. Here you can see the GABA shunt is a closed loop process in which the GABA is produced as well as the conserved. Glutamic acid decarboxylase enzyme catalyzes the decarboxylation of the glutamic acid to form the GABA. GABA promotes neuron inhibition by promoting the entry of the chloride ion into the neuron. Various pharmacological agents that may be the benzodiazepines or topiramate stimulate the GABA activity in the treatment of the seizures. So the GABA is also involved in the treatment of the seizures. Histamine. Histamine is a biogenic amine produced or formed mainly by the decarboxylation of the histidine. Here is the reaction step. Histidine is converted into the histamine by the catalyzation of the enzyme histidine decarboxylase with the release of the carbon dioxide, which is the sign of the decarboxylation. So the amino acid histidine undergo decarboxylation to form the histamine. This is the structure of the histamine. Histamine is an amine that has no carbon carboxylic group in its structure. Histamine is present in all tissue, but it is found at high concentration in the mast cell. The main functions of the histamine include it causes vasodilation and the bronchoconstriction. This is the difference point. It causes the vasodilation but the bronchoconstrictions. The blood vessels which are related to the respiratory systems are constricted due to the histamine. Histamine acts as the chemical messenger. It plays an important role in the gastric secretion as it stimulates the secretion of the hydrochloric acid within the gastrointestinal tract. It also mediates the cellular responses as it acts as the chemical messengers. Thus, it also mediates the most of the cellular responses within the body. Serotonin. Serotonin is the another amine formed by the decarboxylation of the amino acid, which is the serotonin. Serotonin is the naturally occurring amine which is synthesized from an essential amino acid, tryptophan, by the decarboxylation reaction. Serotonin is also called 5-hydroxytryptamine. This is the reaction step by which the serotonin is produced. Here you can see this tryptophan is converted into the 5-hydroxytryptophan by the enzyme tryptophan hydroxylase. The first step for the formation of the serotonin includes the hydroxylation, and then 5-hydroxytryptophan undergo decarboxylation reaction to produce the serotonin with the release of the carbon dioxide. So this is the reaction in this pathway that is mediated by the tryptophan hydroxylase. It is the rate limiting step for the formation or the synthesis of the serotonin. There are the few primary functions of the serotonin. You can see it is monoamine neurotransmitter, chemical messenger in the gastrointestinal tract, and it is mainly found in the GIT, the blood plasma, and the central nervous system. A serotonin transporter protein called the SERT carries serotonin from synaptic cleft to its target nerve. Serotonin regulates many functions ranging from the sleep, mood, appetite, and the eating habits. So these are the biochemistry of the special products which are formed from the decarboxylation of the certain amino acids. Thank you very much.